Another way to copyright your music is to do it yourself by self-registration. This is done by putting the word copyright, the abbreviation copyright, C-O-P-R, or a C with a circle on it, on your work. For example, this is a piece of music that I have written. I've included a C with a circle in the word copyright. You must also include the date of the work and the author. Now you mail a copy of this to yourself in registered mail. This dated copy of your music is proof that you are the author and have written it. The date proves its creation. This copy must not be opened. The seal is crucial evidence of the date and ensures proof. You could also get a public notary stamp or place the work in a safety box because these have dates and ensure that that is when the work was done. This form of copywriting is often considered poor man's copyright. It doesn't require money to cost to get it done, but it's still a legitimate way of claiming ownerships, but is not legally satisfying. So if brought to a court of law, this might be hard to gain money for copyright infringement.